Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of music removed from your video or copyright claim issue on TikTok video. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, let me inform you that why does it happen. The first reason is you must have used the copyrighted music, that means which is owned by some other content creator or a company. So the first solution is you have to contact with that particular owner, then you can discuss with the matter and you can resolve the issue. And the second one is you can directly re-upload the video without that music. And the third one that is very important, where you can use any music you want without any copyright issue, you have to switch your business account to personal account. So for that you have to go to your profile section and you have to click on the three-line button from the top right corner. Then you have to click on the settings and privacy. Then you have to click on the account button. Then you can see at the third place it is written switch to personal account. Click on this and you have to click switch anyway. After that you can use any music you want and there will not be any copyright issue. But for business account you can download it from the YouTube or any other things, but you have to use the Creative Commons filter. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.